Hey everybody, today I'm going to share with you a healthier alternative to a pumpkin spice latte. You can get them from many coffee places, but most of the time they are loaded with unnecessary sugars. So today I'm going to share with you a very simple, few ingredient type of recipe that you're going to love if you love pumpkin spice everything. You're going to need some pumpkin puree, which you can find in the baking aisle of your grocery store. I chose almond milk. Feel free to use whatever milk that you like. It's just fewer in calorie, and I'm also lactose intolerant, so there's that. You're also going to need some pumpkin pie spice. You can make your own blend, but ain't nobody got time for that, so we chose the Trader Joe's brand, as well as some pumpkin spice coffee. I was intrigued at the store. Trader Joe's literally did it up with all the pumpkin, so I just bought it to try it out, as well as some honey as my sweetener. Feel free to use any other type of sweetener, sugar, brown sugar, stevia, truvia. Stay away from all the chemicals, and some whipped cream just for fun. You're going to need a cup of milk. You don't have to measure it out, but just for the purpose of this video, I did. And you're going to pour it into a saucepan. You're not turning the heat on just yet because you don't need this to boil. You don't need this to cook necessarily. You just need to warm it up. So I'm applying all of the ingredients into the saucepan. Going to put in 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree and half of a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Now, I found that it came out very spicy, not in a it's hot sense, but if you don't like that type of spice taste, definitely opt for a little bit less. I put my honey, and now I'm going in with the coffee. I bought the single pods from Trader Joe's. It did its thing, worked wonders. I'm putting my fire on to low to medium, and then with a whisk, I am whisking it all up. You can opt out of this and warm it up a little bit, then put it in a blender to foam it up, but the whisk worked just fine. As you can see, just whisk it for about a minute or two and it's gonna do its thing. So this is what I ended up with, and then I just poured it right on top of the coffee and I let the foam fizzle up just a little bit. I wanted to do that tricolor, but I actually messed up by putting the coffee first into the cup, and then I applied some whipped cream. Again, if you have a sensitivity to lactose, there are coconut whipped creams and other alternatives, but this is just what I had. And then I sprinkled on some cinnamon. Feel free to drizzle on some caramel on top. I've done that before and it is awesome. And I mastered the trick here for DJ's pumpkin spice latte. I made his with regular milk, so I figured I'd try to do this little trick, which I achieved. But this is it. Let me know how you guys like it. Go check out my Instagram at Beauty and a Barbell. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Click the like button, subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.